In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So if it's stuck or freeze for some reason, all you need to do is to tap on this power key, hold it, keep holding, and now just leave it. So we've just forced restart of this device, and it will be activated within a couple of seconds. Now just draw an unlock pattern. And that's it. As you can see now, it is activated again and it will not be frozen anymore. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.